Imagine finding the perfect buyer for your home. You sign the contract, you start packing boxes, and then you get a frantic call from the title company. They tell you that you cannot legally sell your house. Why? Because the plumber you hired 6 months ago put a mechanic's lien on your property. If you voted in my poll yesterday, you already know the painful truth. If your contractor does not pay their subcontractors, you are the one legally on the hook. As a mortgage strategist, I see homeowners unknowingly risk their equity each day. If you do not protect yourself during a pre-sale remodel, a financially disorganized contractor can literally hold your home hostage. They can derail your escrow completely. To protect your sale, you must understand what a mechanic's lien actually is. A mechanic's lien is a legal claim against your specific property. It is filed by a contractor, a subcontractor, or a materials supplier who claims that they were not paid for their work. Notice I did not say they sue you. They sue the house. The law allows unpaid workers to attach the debt directly to your property's title. It acts like a massive financial anchor. As long as that lien is attached to your public record, the title is considered clouded. That means you do not have clear ownership to transfer to a buyer. Now you may be thinking, Cathy, I always pay my bills. This will not happen to me. Well, here's the massive trap most sellers may fall into. I can pay it in full illusion. Let's say you hired a general contractor to remodel your kitchen before you list the house. You paid that contractor $30,000 in full. You have the cash checks to prove it. However, your general contractor took your money and didn't pay the electrician they hired, or they never paid the supplier where they bought the cabinets. Even though you paid your contractor perfectly on time, that unpaid electrician has the legal right to bypass the general contractor. They can slap a mechanic's lien directly on your house. Suddenly, you are legally responsible for a debt that you already paid. When this happens, your entire home sale crashes into a brick wall. When a buyer goes to purchase your home, their mortgage lender requires a clean title. The underwriter will look at the title report, see the mechanic's lien, and instantly halt the loan. The bank will not lend money on a property that already has active legal claims attached to it. You are now in a standoff. You have a buyer threatening to walk away, and you have an unpaid subcontractor refusing to remove the lien. Homeowners in this exact situation are often forced to pay for the work a second time just to clear the title and save the escrow, losing thousands of dollars in hard earned equity. So, how do you bulletproof your property when you hire someone to work on your house. You must demand, and I say it again, you must demand a lien waiver every single time you hand over a check. Remember, every single time you hand over a check. A lien waiver is a legal binding document that acts as a receipt. When a contractor signs it, they are legally waiving their right to file a mechanic's lien on your property for the amount you just paid them. Before you hand over your final payment to your general contractor, you must require them to provide unconditional lien waivers from every single subcontractor and supplier who touched your house. If they cannot produce those waivers, do not hand over that final check. The money is in your account. It's your leverage. Now, never guess when it comes to your title and to your equity. If you are preparing to renovate your home to sell, you need a strategy in place. And that's before you hire a crew. Click the link in the description and book a confidential strategy call with me. We will make sure your title is clear and your equity is protected before you list. And I want to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever had a dispute with a contractor that threatened a home sale? Share your real estate stories below. Make sure you subscribe because next week I will be covering. You know how you see those "We Buy Houses" signs? How wholesalers steal your equity. I will see you there.